This is Katrin with European Papercrafts. European Papercrafts is located in California and brings you unique and beautiful card making supplies from brand name companies in Europe. Today I have prepared products that you could use for your Valentine's Day cards and projects. All product links are posted below. And in front of you, you see cards that I have created with the products I will share with you today. So let's get started. First, I like to introduce to you Easy 3D Toppers by Hearty Crafts. Hearty Crafts is a family-run business from Germany, and they produce these beautiful 3D card toppers. They come in a bag of 10 different embellishments, and each embellishment is individually packaged. So I'm going to start with Chocolate Paradise. And here they are. Again, there are 10 bags with all these beautiful chocolate themed card toppers. You probably want to have some chocolate around while crafting, because I tell you, these are so delicious looking. It's going to be hard to resist to have some chocolate. So I know there's a glare here, so I took one out. This one is the chocolate brownie. And look, isn't that delicious? And it comes again in 3 layers. There is the base layer, the next one, and then here is the third. Of course, you would add them with foam dots. And these are cardstock quality, so not flimsy and very easy to craft with. I made a sample card with this card topper, and here it is for my Valentine with the chocolate. Very delicious. And here you can see how I layered it. Okay, I also want to show you the flower bouquet. There are 10 different flowers in this one. When you go to the website, you will see hundreds of different embellishments from Hearty Crafts. They cover every occasion. We have a lot of flowers. We do have baby, we have wedding, we have masculine vintage cars, we have feathers, there are umbrellas, there's a lot for Easter, Christmas, you name it. And again, each bag holds 10 individual card toppers with 3 pieces inside, 1 base layer and 2 top layers. And for the flowers, I also have a sample card that I created with this beautiful ribbon and the rose, and you can see how it is layered. And these little pearl hearts I'm going to show you in a minute. They're so cute too. Next up is Kanban. Kanban is based in the UK, and they also produce these beautiful card toppers and papers. So for today I have picked the fairy cakes. This one here is the chocolate icing, and then also these are the fairy cakes raspberry icing. And this is a 2-pack. So there are the die cuts, and then on the back you have a cardstock. So when you take it out, I just like to show it to you. So you have these beautiful die cuts. They all come out very easily. You just push them out, and then you have a base layer. And same over here for the raspberry icing. So when you pop out those die cuts, you can see they're also cardstock, beautifully glittered, really doesn't come off. You can just layer them with foam dots, and there's even a cherry that comes with it. And I also created 2 sample cards with the raspberry icing, and here they are. So you can see they're also very delicious looking. These fairy cakes with the chocolate icing, I think they would also be suitable for more masculine cards because of the brown. And then also I wanted to show you that they have sentiments. So this is just 1 sheet, also all die cut, with all kinds of different sentiments that you can use for your cards. And I think you can see what's on there. Up next is Anita's Foiled Decoupage by Doodey Crafts, also located in the UK. And you see Anita's is beautiful foiled, and each sheet has 2 card toppers and several layers to add. So this one here is the blooming male, and you have this beautiful envelope with flowers on it, and down here the cup with all the flowers. And then you can see all the different layers that you can add. They are numbered, so it's easy for you to see how you build up your 3D embellishment. I also have champagne and chocolate. You can see here is the chocolate box. This would be one embellishment. The second one up here is the champagne bottle. And then you have extra art too, those labels that you can stamp. And everything is foiled, and again in many, many layers. And the last one is champagne and roses. So you have down here this beautiful rose bouquet, and then up here the roses with the champagne glasses. I have created a few cards. Actually, with this sheet I made 4 cards because there are so many different layers that I thought this would make 4 cards, and it did. So right here with this embellishment up here, I created those 2 cards. And you can see they're still pretty much built, so none of them is flat, but yeah, this actually gets you more for your dollar. They're very reasonably priced too. And then for the embellishment down here, I also created 2 cards. And doesn't it look beautiful? So pretty. So pretty. So, and from this sheet, I created those cards. And they're not just for Valentine's Day. I think this would make a beautiful anniversary card, maybe even wedding. Chocolates are always good for birthdays. And these stickers here with love that I used, they come in gold and silver. I'll show you in a minute. Yeah, so this is Anita's foiled decoupage. Check it out online. She has, again, so many different themes that she's covering. And I have lots and lots for spring. So, and to finish it off, I want to show you some embellishments that I use on pretty much every card I create. So first I have Anita's Glitteration. So same company, Anita's by Doodey Crafts, and she comes up with these beautiful glittered border stickers. Here's one in gold, one in silver, and there's a lot of glitter there, but it doesn't come off. So it's not something that you will have all over your face or your hands, as we crafters often do. And on this card you can see I used just one sticker, and how it finishes off this card. It's just beautiful. Then also I wanted to show you styrofoam stickers. This one here, particularly for Valentine's, it has heart borders. Very pretty. And also with a lot of glitter that does not come off. Then peel off stickers, like this particular one, they all come from Holland, and this is very handy if you're not a stamper, because you have all these different sentiments. Congratulations, thank you, all the best, happy birthday, good luck, get well soon. So these are great sentiments. And then I also picked one from Doodey. Doodey is also made in Holland. This is just one sheet, all happy birthday, and then you have some flowers there that you can also use. So again, there are so many different sentiments and embellishments. Please check it out. I also like these rhinestones. These are by Kaisercraft. I just love these for my finishing off cards. Here's a pale green, a sky blue, a pale pink, and then a deeper pink. Beautiful, and they're stickers. Just for Valentine's Day, but also for wedding cards, are these hearts. Really cute, almost look like fabric, but they're not. By Bella. And then lastly, Doodey Crafts, these heart-shaped pearls. And remember, I showed you this card where I used them, and they're so pretty. And again, they're stickers. So if you like the products you have seen, please give me a thumbs up and visit my website, 3dcardmaking.com. I offer free shipping on orders over $89 to the US. I would also welcome your feedback. This was my first attempt to make a product video, so I'm sure I will improve with time, but for right now, thank you for watching my video. Hope to see you soon. Bye now and auf Wiedersehen.